Morning students, today I am going to explain our next topic, general characteristics of ionic compounds. In this case, we will discuss about the various characteristics possessed by the ionic compound. The main among them are: first is physical state, second property will crystalline structure of this ionic compound. Third property we have discussed here will be high melting point and high boiling point. The fourth one will be the solubility. Fifth is the electrical conductivity, and the last property is ionic reaction. All these properties or all these characteristics are shown by ionic compound. First is physical state. As we know that ionic compound exist in solid state, so the physical state of ionic compound is solid and they will act in the crystalline state. Solid crystalline form में exist करेंगे. Now second property is the crystalline structure. This property can be explained on the basis of X-ray analysis of the ionic compound, and the X-ray analysis shows that the ionic compound exists in the form of ions and they do not exist in the form of molecule. Clear? The X-ray analysis shows that ionic compound exists in the form of ions and do not exist as molecule, and these ions are arranged in a regular pattern. The X-ray study again shows that these ions of ionic compounds are arranged in a regular pattern in 3 dimensions, so they give a perfectly crystalline, or they give perfectly crystal lattice. Crystal lattice means arrangement of ions in the closed packing is called as crystal lattice, whereas the arrangement and pattern will depend on the size and shape of the ions. We have already discussed about structure of NaCl. The structure of NaCl or the geometry of NaCl is octahedral, in which each sodium ion is surrounded by 6 chloride ion, and similarly each chloride ion is surrounded by 6 sodium ion. So the coordination number of these two ions in the crystal lattice will be 6. Clear? Now next property is high melting and boiling point. As we know, the ionic compound shows strong force of attraction, and this strong force of attraction between these positively charged ions is called as electrostatic force of attraction. This is electrostatic force of attraction, and the nature of the force is strong, so it is difficult to break this bond. So the compound possesses high melting point as well as high boiling point, because these spaces require large amount of energy. These spaces require large amount of energy to break the crystal lattice of ionic compound. To break the crystal lattice of ionic compound. So in that case, large amount of energy will be needed, so they possess high melting and boiling point. I repeat this point again. The ionic compound possess strong electrostatic force of attraction, which is present between the two positively charged ions. So as a result, it is difficult to break this strong force of attraction, hence it will require large amount of energy to break the crystal lattice of ionic compound, which is formed by regular arrangement of these ions in 3-dimensional space. Clear? Next property is the solubility. Fourth property is solubility. As we know, the ionic compound or the electrolyte compounds are soluble in water. These compounds are soluble in water because water is a polar solvent. Therefore it will possess high value of dielectric constant. जो dielectric constant की value होती है water केस में, that value is quite high. So it is considered as a polar solvent. और जो ionic compound है, it will also consist of 2 positively charged ions such as NaCl, Na positive, Cl negative. When dissolved in water, this NaCl becomes soluble because it is also ionic compound, it will shows polar nature also. So the solute and solvent if have same nature then they get dissolve or they get soluble in each other. क्लियर. अगर कंपाउंड हमारे पास आयोनिक नहीं होता उसको वाटर में डिजोल्व करते तो उस केस में कंपाउंड सोल्यूबल नहीं होता. क्लियर. तो जब भी हमारे पास आयोनिक कंपाउंड होगा वो हमेशा वाटर के अंदर क्या हो जाएगा, सोल्यूबल, बिकॉज ऑफ द सेम नेचर ऑफ सोल्यूट एज वेल एज सोलवेंट. सोलवेंट इज पोलर इन नेचर, देयरफॉर इट इज़ क्वाइट ईजी फॉर द सोलवेंट टू डिजोल्व द सोल्यूट इन इट. Clear. Next is dissociation of NaCl in water. How NaCl when added to water, dissociation takes place between Na positive and Cl negative ions. Now this Na positive cation is surrounded by negative part of water molecule. Similarly the Cl negative part of sodium chloride will get surrounded by the positive part of water molecule. This positive part indicate hydrogen and this negative part indicate oxygen. As a result, these are positively charged ions around the respective ion create an envelope और sheath. इसके सराउंडिंग में ये जो वाटर के पार्टिकल्स हैं, यहाँ पर ये पार्टिकल्स हैं अपोजिटिवली चार्ज हैं, अट्रैक्शन शो करेंगे और इसके सराउंडिंग में एक शीट कवर एनवेलप की तरह शीट फॉर्म करेंगे जिसकी वजह से इसके अंदर फर्दर चेंजेस ऑब्जर्व नहीं होंगे. तो जो भी फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन है वो कट ऑफ हो जाएंगे. सो इन दिस केस इट विल पोजेस हाइड्रेशन एनर्जी. जब भी हम किसी सॉल्यूट को सॉल्वेंट के अंदर ऐड करते हैं एंड इफ सॉल्वेंट इज वाटर देन इट विल शोज हाइड्रेशन एंथैल्पी. Now in this case this hydration enthalpy is sufficient to overcome the attractive forces between the ions of the solute, so they become soluble and water possesses high dielectric constant. Next is fifth property is electrical conductivity. Ionic compounds in solid state. If the ionic compound is present in solid state then it will behave like an insulator because no free ions are present in this case. Now if this ionic compound is present in aqueous or the molten state then it will show conduction of electricity because in presence of solvent like water this ionic compound undergo dissociation into ions and these ions are now free to move. As a result it possesses electrical conductivity. Last characteristic of this ionic compound is ionic reaction. Ionic compound undergoes ionic reaction in which the reaction takes place between the ions produced in the solution. Main point is ions are produced in the solution. How these ions are produced, such as for example we have aqueous solution of two different ionic compound NaCl aqueous. Similarly we have taken silver nitrate aqueous. Aqueous means salt plus water. Now this NaCl is now present in the form of ions such as Na positive, Cl negative and silver nitrate as Ag positive and NO3 negative. On combining these two reaction mixture we obtain AgCl. The physical state of this product is solid, plus we obtained sodium nitrate aqueous consist of again these two ions. This AgCl aqueous the AgCl physical state solid will act as a precipitate. इसको हम बोलेंगे precipitate. What is precipitate? Precipitate is a solid residue formed during the ionic reaction. In short form it is also named as PPT. What is precipitate or PPT? It is a solid residue formed during the ionic reaction or during double displacement reaction and this type of reactions are quite fast. ये reaction कैसे होती हैं? बहुत fast होती हैं. Within few seconds reaction goes on completion. Clear? So such type of reactions are again shown by ionic compound. Next point is covalent bond, also named as Lewis-Langmuir concept. Covalent bond or the concept which is given by scientists named as Lewis and Langmuir. As a name indicate, this concept explain about the covalent bond formation. This type of bond takes place by sharing of electron between different atoms. sharing of electron takes place between different atom so that they will acquire, or both of the atom or all the atom, so that all the atom acquire stable noble gas configuration, because in this case neither of the atom undergo loss of electron or gain of electron, so it will undergo sharing of electron. As a result, by sharing of electron, all the atoms or different atom present in the given compound complete their octet by sharing of electron, so that they become stable by acquiring the noble gas configuration. The same number of electrons from the common pairs which they are then shared by both, यानी कि जो भी स्पेसेस के पास इलेक्ट्रॉन्स प्रेजेंट होंगे वो कॉमन इलेक्ट्रॉन्स दोनों स्पेसेस या दोनों एटम्स क्या करेंगे, आपस में शेयर करेंगे. एंड सच टाइप ऑफ शेयरिंग रिजल्ट्स इन फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ए स्पेशल टाइप ऑफ लिंकेज और बॉन्ड कॉल्ड एज कोवलेंट बॉन्ड और कोवलेंट लिंकेज. एंड द नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कॉन्ट्रीब्यूटेड बाय ईच एटम, जितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हर एटम कंट्रीब्यूट करेगा शेयरिंग में, दैट टर्म इज कॉल्ड एज कोवैलेंसी ऑफ दैट एटम. कोवैलेंसी मीन्स शेयरिंग की है यहाँ पर, ठीक है. तो जितने इलेक्ट्रॉन